Tired of your devices dying? This is the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate power solution for 2025. Imagine charging your iPhone over 6 times on a single charge. Perfect for travel or simply surviving a busy day. With its massive 20,000 mAh capacity, this portable charger ensures you're always connected, no matter where you are. What makes it truly special is Anker's Power IQ technology, intelligently optimizing charging speed for any device, delivering power safely and quickly. Plus, its dual USB ports mean you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, easily sharing with a friend or charging your phone and tablet at once. Forget slow, generic power banks. The Anker PowerCore is built for unparalleled reliability and efficiency, setting it apart from competitors. If you're searching for the best portable power bank for travel or daily use, this essential electronics gadget is a true game changer. Ready to upgrade your charging experience? Find the official Amazon link in the description below to grab yours today. This isn't just a battery, it's freedom from battery anxiety, an indispensable tool for modern life. Don't settle for less. Invest in the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh and stay powered wherever you go.